Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter Exponent and Power of class 7 NCRT. Okay. Introduction part has been done. Now we will continue the chapter, okay, and we will do the exercise 11.1 today. Okay. So, let's move to the question number 1. What the question is saying. Find the value of means we have to find out the value means the exponential expression is given to us. Exponential expression is given to us and we have to write it down first of all in the expanded form, and then we have to find out the value. Okay, means first of all we will put it in the expanded form. Let's see how we will do it now. Question number 1, part 1 is saying 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6. 1. 2 to the power 6 is given to us, means we can write it down to how many times? 6 times, because we are having the power 6, or we can say the exponent is 6. Okay, so we will write it down to how many times? 6 times. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, like this. You have to write it down like this in the answer sheet or wherever you are solving the paper. Whenever you are solving the paper, you have to write it down like this. Okay, don't directly multiply it, okay, or don't do it in the rough column and write it down directly the answer. Okay, you have to show that you have expanded it first of all and then you have written. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 to just 16, and 16 to just 32, and 32 multiplied by 2 will be 64. 2 to the 4 and 2 3 is 6, and 64 is the answer. 64 is the answer. Now let's move to the question number second. 9 to the power 3. Question is saying 9 to the power 3 means how many times we have to write it down? 9. We have to write it down 9 3 times. 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Okay, 9 9 is 81. 81 multiplied by 9, 9 ones are 9, and 8 9 are 72, means 729 is the answer. Okay, this multiplication work you have to do in your rough column. Okay, you have to write it down the answer like this. Okay, now what the question number 3 is saying, 11 to the power 2. Okay, question number 3, 11 is the base, to the power 2 means we have to write it down 11 how many times? Very good, 2 times. 11 multiplied by 11, and 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. Let's check it out. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 cross 1 multiplied by 1 and 1. If I will add it, it will become 121. You can check it out. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Now what the question number 4 is saying, let's check it out. Question number 4 is saying 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 means question number 4, 5 to the power 4 means we have to write it down 5 how many times? 4 times. Very good. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. If I want 5 5s are 25, I can write it down like this, multiplied by 25. Okay, but don't get confused. 5 5s are 25. 25 multiplied by 5, we will do it over here. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 11 12. Then we will multiply it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 11 12, and 5 under 5 and 6 625. 625 is the answer. I hope you guys understood. Okay, it is very easy, very simple. Okay, now let's move to the question number 2. What the question number 2 is saying, express the following in the exponential form. Now the expanded form is given to us and we have to write it down in the exponential form, means in this particular form. Okay, let's do it over here only. Okay, the question number saying One is saying 4, how many, sorry, 6, how many times 6 is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. 6 is written 4 times. So we can write it down 6 like this, okay, and 6 to the power 4, because how many 6's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 6 are there, so we will put 4 over here like this. Now 2. 1 and 2. How many t? Okay. Now the number is not given, variable is given, so there is no problem in this. I've already told you in the introduction part. So don't get confused. We will write, take a t as a common. Okay. Then how many t is there? 1 and 2. So write it down 2 as a power. Okay. Now question number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, base is same, that is b, and how many b is written? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 b's are here. Okay. Now question number 4. What the question number 4 is saying? Now check it out. The question number 4, two things, two numbers are given. First is 5 and the other one is 7. Okay. So first of all, what we will do, we will calculate 5. How many times? First of all, write it down 5. How many 5 is there? 1 and 2. So we will put the power 2. We will put the multiplication sign, and then we will write it down. The other number is 7. So we will write it down 7, and we will then count how many 7 is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 is there. Okay. So this is the answer. 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 3. Okay. I hope you guys understood. It is very easy. We just have to, if two numbers, one number and one variable, like in the 5th question is given. First of all, we will write it down 2. How many 2 is there? 1 and 2. So we will put 2 over here. We will put the sign of multiplication, and then we will count. The other is the variable, that is a. We will write it down. I will write it down a. Then how many a is there? 1, 2. We will put 2. Easy. Now question number 6. 1, 2, 3. A is there, B is there, sorry, A is there, C is there, and D is there. Okay. So what we will do, first of all, I will write it down A. Then I will count how many A is there. 1, 2, 3. A is there. Multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write it down first of all C. Then how many C? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 C is there. Then we will write it down multiplied by D. Okay. D is only 1. So we don't put any power. Okay. So I hope you guys understood this. Okay. It is very easy. Okay. Now let's move to the question number 3. What the question number 3 is saying? In the question number 3, express each of the following number using exponential ratio. Exponential ratio means we have to factorize it. We have to factorize it. The number 512 is given. So I will write it down 512 like this. 512. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 2 5s are 10, and 2 6 are 12. Let's do it. We have, if we know that if the last digit of any number is even, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay. This is the divisibility rule of 2. I hope you guys know it. Okay. If you don't know, I am just explaining you. If there is any number, okay, but the end number is even. If the number is even, means like 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 0, okay, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay. This means 512 is divisible by 2 because 2 is the even number. So let's divide it. 512. You can do it in your rough column like this. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 5s are 10. 1 is left. Then we will bring 2, and 2 6s are 12. Means 0. 256 is the answer, and I have written. Now let's check it out. 256. 256. 6 is there. Okay. This means it is divisible by 2 because the even number is there. So we will divide 256 by 2. 2 1s are 2. I will bring 5. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. Then we will bring 6 and 2. 8 just 16. Okay. And 128 is the answer. I will write it down. Now, again, 8 is there. 8 is there in this number. Then it means it is divisible by 2. Okay. We can directly cut, or you can divide. If you have any doubt, to do it the division part. Okay, 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. If you have any doubt in calculation, please do it. Okay, don't do it verbally. Okay, 64, again 4 is there, it means it is divisible by 2. 64, 2 3s are 6, 4 and 2 2s are 4. It means 32. Okay, and 32 is also divisible by 2 because 2 is there. 32, 2 1s are 2, we can write it down 1. 2 6 are 12. Okay, and 2 16s are 32 and 2 8 just 16. 2 2s are 4, sorry, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are and 2 1 1. Okay, it means we can write it down how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, means 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9, and this is the answer, and this is the answer. Okay, if you want, you can write it down like this: 2 multiplied by 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 2. Just a second. 3 2 multiplied by 2. You can write it down like this. Okay, you can write it down 2 9 times, then you can write it down like this: 2 to the power 9, or you can directly write it down the answer: 2 to the power 9. Okay, now question number second. 343. 343. Let's check it out. 343. 343. 343 is divisible by, let's check it out. If it is divisible by 3, no, it is not divisible by 3. It cannot be divisible by 2 also. It is divisible by 4. No, if it is not divisible by 3, then it cannot be divisible by 4 also. It cannot divisible by 5. Okay, if you guys know the divisibility rule of all this, you can easily find it. Let's check it out. 6, if it is not divisible by 2 and 3, then it cannot be divisible by 6 also. Okay, let's check it out. 7 and 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 6 sevens for 7 6 are 35. Let's check it out. 343 by 7. 7 fours are 28. Okay, and 14, it is also not divisible by, because 14 is coming 6 and 1, and 7 nines are 63. It is divisible. 49. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Okay, so you have to put the divisibility rule to get the answer easily. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, this means 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3. Okay, so be very careful. Okay, like this, because you have to calculate it by 2 3 4 5, but if you know the divisibility rule, then you don't have to face any problem. You can easily find it out. It is not divisible by 3. If we add the divisibility rule of 3 is, we have to add all the numbers. If it is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3, but it is not coming. Okay, so like this you have to check it out, all the divisibility rule. Okay, so now let's move to the question number 3, 729. 729. Okay, sorry, let's do it. Question number 3, 729 is equals to 7 to 9. Now, can it will be divisible by 2? No. Let's check it out. It is divisible by 3 or not. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Yes, we have to add all the numbers. If the addition is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. So let's check it out. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, and 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. Okay, so it means this number is divisible by 3. Let's check it out now. 729. 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. And 3 3 is 9. Okay, means 243. Okay, by the divisibility rule we got it very easily. Now this number is divisible by 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 243. 3 8 is 24. And 3 1s are 3. Okay, means 81. Now 81 is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3 because 9 is divisible by 3. 81. 3 2 is 6. And 3 7s are 21. 27 is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. It is easy. 3 multiplied by 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 multiplied by 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 3, or we can write it down directly, the answer, that is 6 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6, and this is the answer. I hope you guys understood. Now the last one is 3135. 3135. 3135 is 35. No, sorry, it's 25. Okay, now let's check it out. If you know the divisibility rule, it is very clear that if the last number is 5 or 0, it means it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. So we will divide it by 5. 3 1 2 5. We will divide 3 1 2 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 625 is the answer. Now 625. 5 is there, it means it is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay, 1. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. It means 5 125. Okay, now again it is divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. How many 5 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5 is there. So is equals to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It means 5 to the power 5 is the answer. 5 to the 5 is the answer. Okay. Next question number 4 and 5. Okay, and rest question I will explain you in the next video. Okay, please like and subscribe my video. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye, take care.